Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to reset Philips Sonicare Toothbrush. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you need to reset your Philips Sonicare Toothbrush, it's actually pretty straightforward. So what do you need to do here? So first, you want to make sure that the charger is plugged in and powered. Then place the toothbrush handset onto the charger itself. So we need the power here just to make sure that we are able to fully reset this one. Now, what we need to do next is you want to press and hold the mode button, and that is actually in the bottom section here, as you see, just underneath the power button here. And while holding it, you want to press the power button 10 times. Now, again, you want to release the both buttons here once it's actually up. So again, press and hold the mode button here, press your power button 10 times. Now, and basically release those two buttons. Now, next is you want to press and hold the mode button again. And this time, while holding it, press the power button 6 times. Then release both buttons. Now, you'll know it worked if you hear like 3 bips at the end, and that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.